Why are some of the most advanced cancer therapies built on an idea that's decades old? DNA damage response inhibitors are not the only oncology drugs designed to kill cancer cells by overwhelming them with DNA damage. This approach has played a key role in cancer therapy for many years. Traditional chemo and radiotherapies relied on damaging DNA to stop rapidly dividing cancer cells, but often harmed healthy tissues too. Modern approaches build on the same principle, but with far greater precision. For example, radioligand therapies act like molecular homing devices, delivering radioactive particles directly to cancer cells. Once inside, the radiation creates localized DNA breaks exactly where the tumor is, leaving healthy cells largely untouched. Antibody drug conjugates, or ADCs, work similarly. Antibodies guide powerful, well-characterized DNA-damaging payloads into the cancer cell, releasing them only after the drug is internalized. In all these cases, the ability to measure DNA damage and repair with high precision inside tumors is critical. It shows whether a therapy is hitting its target, how well it works, and helps optimize treatment toward more effective, personalized cancer care. Want to learn how the Stripe platform supports these therapeutic areas? Let's connect.